Nityanandam.
Welcome
To the first anniversary
of NTV News. This is Ma Shantananda and it's Thursday, August 11th, 2011. The headlines: NTV celebrates its first anniversary. Pradosham Abhishekam offered to Nandi. Varalakshmi Vratam to Goddess Lakshmi starts tomorrow. Now for the main news. Today is a very special day for Nityananda Mission. It was on this day 1 year ago that Swamiji started the morning message through a small webcam at Sri Anandeshwara temple in the ashram. It was during this first morning satsang that Swamiji announced the launch of Enlightening Nityananda TV.
I sincerely respect the devotion and commitment of the devotees and disciples around the world who are waiting in front of web camera just to have one glimpse of me walking into the temple or doing namaskar to Anandeshwara. Every day, thousands of emails are pouring. What is the time Swamiji comes to temple? When can we have a glimpse of Swamiji when he comes to the temple? Sitting whole day in front of web camera. So just to satisfy all those devotees, every day I will speak on one truth of Jivan Mukti, on one component of Jivan Mukti, at least few minutes. Not only that, every day, at least half an hour to 1 hour, I will be available to devotees around the world through this web camera, either during darshan or during morning Pada Puja or this message. Of course, this message is everyday's feature. And from today, we are launching another important service. Every day, from around the world, Nityananda World News will be read out in front of the web camera. So practically, whole day, people around the world who are waiting and watching through this web camera for the happenings here, they will be having satsangs, reminiscences, experiences, mainly personal question and answer sessions with senior Swamis, and whenever I find time with me. So practically, from today we are launching a new service, Nityananda Web TV. We will be running this as a 24-hour web channel.
Starting with just the morning satsang and end news, delivering the happenings all around the world at our various ashrams and centers, we have expanded to include educational programs like N Vedic tradition, N Kirtans, storytelling for kids, Nitya Yoga for body and mind, youth counseling, reality shows and much, much more. Today, NTV has its own, very own YouTube channel called youtube.com/NTV YouTube. And very soon we'll be having our own exclusive website showcasing all our programs and events related to the mission. Today, Swamiji is watched by more than 10,000 people in 1,000 places, sitting in close to 30 countries every single day. From a small webcam to live on national TV. It won't be a long time before Swamiji is live on NTV's very own satellite television. Congratulations everyone. This is a cause for celebration for our Nityananda family. At the ashram, it was a joyous occasion for all of us, giving us a chance to celebrate another victory, another feather on Swamiji's golden crown. Let's take a look. now we are having Swamiji on live on national TV. So we are going to
Welcome back. This is Maya Titananda for other news from the ashram. Today, being Pradosham, the auspicious day when Shiva delivered the Shiva Sutras to Devi, Abhishekam or holy bath was offered to Nandi, followed by flower alankar and Maha Arati. Also, today at Sri Anandeshwara temple, Abhishekam was offered to Sri Dakshinamurti and Shivalingam as an expression of our gratitude to the Guru. Pradosham is usually celebrated twice a month on the 13th day of the lunar cycle. According to the Shiva Puranas, observing a fast, that is Pradosha Vratam, is regarded as highly auspicious and beneficial. According to one legend, Lord Shiva is believed to have drunk the Hala Hala poison during Pradosham. This poison was mixed with the ocean of milk. As a part of Pradosham celebration, Gurukul children had lots of fun taking the Anandeshwara and Anandeshwari Murtis in a procession on a chariot around the temple. They cheerfully shared their joy with us, telling us the significance of Ratham procession.
Hey, everybody. comes between. So we're doing this Ratham pulling because it's Pradosham today. It's a day for Shiva. And second we have Anandeshwara and Anandeshwari Acharya. So we pull the Ratham around the temple once just to, give them honor. Just to give them honor, and then we'll take them back. We take them back to our...
Oh, then you're taking him back to Gurukul,
Yeah,
is it?
just now before we pull this, we did Abhishekam to Lord Shiva.
Actually, you started from Gurukul, is
Yeah,
it? You make
we
circle.
started with the puja and then we came. Hey, wait, take it here. Take the other thing here. We go to this side. Sir, mas. Other thing.
Welcome back. This is Maya. Tomorrow, August 12th, starts the Varalakshmi Vratam. This is an important ritual, mainly for married women, in Maharashtra and southern India, when they ask boons for their family from Goddess Lakshmi, goddess of wealth and prosperity. Varalakshmi Vratam is based on Hindu mythology, which says that Goddess Parvati asked Shiva about the fast that would be beneficial to women. Lord Shiva explained the importance of the Varalakshmi Vrata, and this conversation takes place in Skanda Purana. Watch our Vedic tradition for more information on this event. And that's all from us tonight. Before we end our news, let's hear a quote from Swamiji. My mission is to create a peaceful, joyful, blissful, conscious, and enlightened society. Thank you for joining us, and tune in for tomorrow's updates on NTV Nityananda.